Hey guys, this is my 2006 Ford F350. The check engine light is on the dash. Let's see if we can figure out what's going on and fix it. Alright, first thing we gotta do is we gotta get this charge air cooler hose out of the way. Let's spray it down with some WD-40 just to give it a little lubrication. It's a 11mm socket. Let's get this out of the way. Okay. Back to the side. This is our glow plug module here. This black connector does the driver's side glow plugs. The green connector does the passenger side glow plugs. So we're after passenger side cylinder number 1, which is the front passenger glow plug. So let's pull this connector. We'll check resistance, see what we got going through. We can determine if it's a module or the glow plug. If we got bad resistance from the connector, then we'll pop this connector. This goes to the glow plug harness, wraps around this way, goes to the plugs, and then we'll trace it back from there. Let's see if we can get this connector out of the way. In here and pull at the same time. It's not easy. I think I got it. Okay. Alright. So now this white wire with the green tracer, that is our cylinder number 1. So let's take our meter. I have it on a 200 ohm setting right now. See what we get. Put one side on ground. That could be any ground. I'm just using the battery ground here. Just make sure we got the connection. Okay. Yep. Looking good there. So this is our cylinder 1 glow plug wire, which is this pin here. So let's check our resistance from here to ground. And we should have anywhere between 0.6 to 2 ohms. Looks like we got 1.7. Yep, 1.7. So that indicates that our wiring harness is good and our glow plug is good. So that means the issue is here in the glow plug harness, glow plug module. Pick up one of these. Unfortunately, they're not as cheap as a glow plug. The glow plug is about $8. The glow plug module is about 115 bucks. All right, got that positive click. That's back in there. Get our battery cable back down. Pin in there that's supposed to go down into that bracket. Sorry if my fat head's in the way. There we go. Okay, now it's in the right spot. Alright, so we'll pop our charge air cooler. We'll look for one of these online. We'll come back another day and swap it out. When you put your charge air cooler pipes back, you want to clean these here. If they're oily and dirty, they could slip off under high boost. So just give them a quick wipe the boots as well. Give them a quick wipe. Make sure they're dry. Some people have had issues where they pop off consistently, so they put hairspray on both the boot and the pipe. I haven't had that issue yet, so I put them on dry. There is a little valley right here. Inside the boot is a little ridge. So this ridge goes in that valley. Once you clamp it down, it kind of locks it in so it doesn't fall out, pull out, or pop out on the boost. You'll feel it when it goes in, it'll kind of snap. There we go. That snap right there. See, it's kind of stuck right there. All right, now we'll just torque down a 10 millimeters again. I don't know what the torque spec is on these. I just put them tight. And you want to make sure that it's in between the white lines, the clamp, so this way it holds it tight on that ridge. I really like the way that one's looking there. Loosen that up a little bit. Bring it over some. Keep going that way, okay. When you put these on, you want to make sure you have them in such a way you can get them off, easily accessible. Okay. Alright, I guess the next step is we'll order up a glow plug module. Hey guys, it's about a week later since we did the glow plug video. I haven't ordered a glow plug module because the light went out, the check engine light, and it hasn't come back. So let's try a starter up. This is a cold start. It's about 54 degrees today, so it's not completely cold, but she hasn't run since last night. Okay, she started. You can see that there is no check engine light anymore.